Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So from today I'm going to start a new thing. New thing in sense, I have completed all the courses to be a front-end developer. So the next thing which is on my way is to practice front-end development. So from today I'm going to practice how to design the layout of a website or how to design a website. So I'll be practicing how to design it, and I'll show you guys how I keep on practicing, how I practice to make it. So I'm not going to upload it directly, like I'm not going to upload a 1 or 2 hour long video. I'll make it step by step. I'll even show you guys how I keep on practicing step by step. Like for example, first I will show you how to make the menu bar or how to add the background image. Later on the next video I will show you how to add the search bar, and in the next video I'll show you how to add sections, how to add different sections and all, how to add pictures. So in that way I'll keep on showing you how to make a website and how I practice the website. I practice making the website. So subscribe to the channel and support me in my journey. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Like I'm going to do it on VS Code, so I need to create a folder first. So let me name the folder practice, and these are the two pictures, this one and this one. I have downloaded it because I will be using these pictures while making the website. So let's put it in the folder. So the folder is ready with the two pictures, these two pictures, and now I'm going to open this folder using VS Code. Okay, this is how it looks the first time when you open the folder using VS Code. So let me add the file index.html. So in this file basically we are going to write the HTML tags, or we are going to write the HTML. So the first thing, let's start. Let me change the document to practice. So the first thing, let me add a section and name this section, give it a class name header. So let's create another file for the styling, which is basically the CSS file, and name it style.css. So with this we are going to style our HTML. We're going to style our web page. So in the style, at first we're going to use an asterisk and use margin 0 and padding 0. And the next is we have created a header, and we are using this header class here. So in this header class we are going to use minimum height 100 v8 with 100%. And next thing, we are going to use the background image here. So we're going to give the background image now. Let's background image linear gradient. I hope it's here. A little bit. Background image linear gradient. Now we are going to give the color codes RGBA, RGB 30 and 0.7, and another color which is the same as this. So let's copy this and paste this here. Okay, then we are going to give the URL for the background picture. Let's give a comma here and type URL. Let me first change the rename the name of this picture so that I can use it clearly here. Let's say I want to rename it and write, say, background BACK0UND background, so it'll be easy for me. So it will be easy for me to use here to write the URL. So you can see it's written background, so the URL will be back0unt background. So it's almost ready. Our background picture, background image is already ready, almost ready, but we have to fix something. So I'm fixing it, giving it a background position center, then background size cover, and position relative. We're going to use position relative. Okay, that much is for the background image. Let's run this code, or let's run this HTML on the live server and see how the websites look like till now. Let's click this and open it live server, and you can see how your website looks like on your live server. Oh, I did a mistake. I haven't linked the CSS file with the HTML. So let me first link it. Okay, link. The name of my CSS file is style.css. Yes, that's it. This is how it looks like. That's the background. If I want to make the background a little bit darker, or I want to make the background a bit dim, then I have to increase this 0.2. I'm not using 0. Let me use 0.7 and 0.7. Okay, that looks fine. Like, yeah, that's background image somehow. The next thing I have to do is to give a logo on the website, logo on the web page. So coming in the section, let me use a nav tag, and here we are going to use an anchor tag for index.html, and here we're going to give the image src, image src, and here we're going to give the logo that we're going to use. So the logo I'm going to use is this one, because I have no other perfect picture for to use as a logo. I found this, and let me use this. So let me write the URL pixart, so it's here. So I have, let me save this and let me see how does it looks like in the live server. So you can see the logo just come in the middle, covering all the pages, but we have to make it small, and I have to bring it here so that it looks perfect. It looks like a perfect website. So for that, I have to go to style.css and style logo. For that, I'm going to use the nav tag here and do some modifications. Let's say for nav tag, I'm going to use display flex padding 2% and 6%. Let's say 6%. Justify content, space between, and align items, and here center. Okay, let's save this and see how does it look like. It has come to the center. So the next thing we did is to bring the image to the center, and next one we're going to do is to make the image small. With 150 pixels. Yeah, you can see it is got small, and it is come to the side. So now I'm going to add the menu option, which is the main part of this website. So for this menu option, I'm going to create a div first and name this div, give this div a class name navlinks. nav links. Okay, so now I'm going to create an unordered list, and in this unordered list I'm going to give the list items, and the list items I'm going to give an anchor tag so that I can click it, and on the anchor tag I'm going to write here home, HOME, and we will have three more options like about, blog, and contact us. So it's going to be same, so let's copy this and make three more of it. Okay, so the second one will be about, ABOUT, the third one will be blog, and the fourth one will be contact us, UNTACT, contact us. Let's save this and open a live server. Yeah, okay, you can see here it's right there, home, about, blog, contact us. So the next thing we have to do is make it horizontal and remove these bullets. So for that, let's go to the CSS and style something. Going to CSS. What was the class name? It was nav links. So dot nav links, then it was on nav links. Okay, UL li. So here the first thing that we're going to write is list style none. The next one is DISP, display inline block, display inline block. The next one is padding. For adding some space in between, we are using padding 8 pixel and say 12 pixel. And the next is position, POSTO, and position relative. So I think this is going to be okay. Let's save this and let's see. Okay, that seems good. It's in a horizontal way and the bullets are removed. Okay, the next thing we have to do is to change the color and font size, because the color is really very invisible here. So let's change the color here and add some styling. Okay, here we are going to use this name because it's of the same class, but here we are going to use the anchor tag. So here we are going to give the color. Let's say we're going to give this big, and text decoration none, and font size 13 pixel. Let's save this and see it how it looks like. Okay, that looks pretty great. Home, about us, blog, contact us, and you can see the underline is removed and the font size is changed, but the font size looks very small. Let me use some more of it. Let's say 20 pixel. Save this and let's see. Oh, that's okay. That'll be pretty good. Okay, that looks good. That's how the menu is created of a website, and in the upcoming videos I'm going to show you how to create the next sections, like how to give a different section here, how to use different kind of images and all. So basically I'll be practicing you and showing you guys how I keep on practicing. And one thing you can see here, you can even click this home option, you can even click this about button, you can even click this blog, contact us. So in the next upcoming videos I'll show you how you can go to a different page after clicking this home, how you can go to about, how you can learn about us on clicking this about option, how you can go to our blog if you click this blog, how you can contact us when you click on this contact us. So I'll just keep on practicing and keep showing you through my videos. So subscribe to the channel and I'll see you again. Till then, take care. Bye bye.